I am so excited to share with everyone this upcoming practitioner training, first and second degree of the crystalline light body activation and healing. And it's so powerful. It's going to activate your divine truth and it's going to connect you in and activate your crystalline light body because we are on a crystalline timeline now. So it's time for us to get all that stuff going and active for us. This is an ancient galactic, multidimensional healing modality of the crystalline timeline. I have a message to share with everyone from the multidimensional galactic beings of light who are channeling this class to me. They say we are now in the long-awaited crystalline timeline of pure 100% light and love energy. It's flooding your beautiful jeweled planet of Earth and all the multidimensional realms of your galaxy. How does that feel? Through this training process, you will be introduced to a lot of things, and you will learn how to recognize many of your galactic brothers and sisters and teachers that have returned because it's now this crystalline light timeline, and they're here to help all of humanity. You will also recognize your inner Christness that has been reawakened with the arrival of the crystalline timeline energies. So it truly is an exciting time. One of the changes that you'll notice is that what we formerly call chakras are now called, they're ka-ras. They're not necessarily to be chakras anymore because we're in a different energy. So ka means key, ra means light. And you are activating your keys of light in all of your dimensions, in all layers of your multidimensional chakras, or karas, and beyond view. You are grounding your higher soul in the cosmic dimensions of these, your karas, and of many levels beyond the physical one, beyond the traditional chakras in which you are familiar. In this practitioner training, first and second degree, you will work with the ascended masters, archangels, Egyptian deities, the galactics, and many of the beings of light from different multiverses and galaxies. And this starts March the 19th through the 21st. And the spaces are extremely limited because it's high energy. And so I keep the group very small. But go ahead and register now or reach out to me if this is something you're interested in, because like I said, it is limited. This particular painting is an image of Archangel Raziel. It's a representation of holding the balance of both light and dark, just as we are learning to hold the balance of male and female energies. So it's a different little painting. It's one of my alcohol inks, and all my paintings, all my original paintings are here on this presentation. So register now. It's a $333 for the certification and the training, and there could be some payment options available if you need it. You just need to contact me, and the full balance due is by March the 4th. We will be experiencing the energies of and working with certain crystals. And some of my vibrational channel paintings, as you've been seeing on this slide presentation, that are from my Light Activations Oracle card deck. So every day I get something different and new. So this training is just growing and growing. So you can register at my website, belovedessences.com, and you'll see the Crystalline Light Body Certification info and page. You can send me an email at support@belovedessences.com. And you will absolutely receive so much from this training. And I continue to receive downloads of information, which is so excited. So I'm super thrilled to be able to present this to everybody. And I'm excited to see you in the class. Bye for now.